Good morning friends, myself Kakade Sunil Rao Sahib from Gokuli Education Society Pimpalgaon Paswant English Medium School. Today start the new topic work and energy and work. Now discuss what is by work and their properties examples. That means when an object is displaced by applying the force on it, work is said to be the work done. That means the force are applied on the object are the displaced from one point to the another point, or their shape and size are the change. Take a pulley, fix it a height, draw a string over the pulley, tie a load of 2 kg at one end, hold the other end of the string and pull it downward. To lift the load, first up to height of the 1 meter and then up to the height of 4 meters when is a more work done. When the applied force is the same, more work is done. When there is a greater displacement is other word for measuring the work. Both the force and the displacement must be considered. That means first use of the pulley and take the string, then tie a load of 2 kg of this one end of this pulley, then hold the other end of the string and pull it downward to lift the load. Then firstly pull it and then lift it. That means both times work are the done, but more force are applied on this pulley, then pulley are hold to the one ends, then more work done. That means when the applied the force is the same, more work is done when there is a greater displacement. That means the force are applied on this pulley, means the same force are applied on the object, but one object move from one point to the another point, then other object same move from one point to the another point, but first object move from more distance, that means cover the more distance, then another force, that means more work done of this object are cover the more distance or displace more time. The relation between work and energy. The boy is the picture has applied the force to the toy car. Work has been done because the force applied to the car has caused displacement. In other word, transformation of the boy energy into the work has taken place through the applied force. That means the boy are apply the force on this toy or car move from one point to the another point or displaced from one point to the another. That means work are the done. Without applying the force, do not work done. Then run around the ground with your friends. Can your friend run as many round as you can? Then next, do all the friends have the same capacity for the running? No, because the capacity of the difference. Next, your friend will complete either more or less round than the number of rounds you completed. Then the number of rounds will not be the same. Some will get try to completing 2 rounds while other will get try on completing 3 or 4 rounds. That is to say each one capacity to completed rounds is not the same. You can completed only as many round as you have the capacity for. The capacity to do work is called as the energy. Means you and your friend the start the running but and start the rounds of the ground, but your both the rounds are different because there are the capacity are the difference from you and your friends. Next, that means they apply the force on these vehicles or car, then car are moved from one point to the another point, means energy are applied, then work done. Another, run around ground with you your friends and you, their routes are the same? No, your routes are the change, but how many routes are changed? They totally depends upon the capacity of the energy store itself. Do all the friend have the same capacity of the running? No difference, because there are the difference energy of them. Work and energy, their SI unit are the same. Name of the SI unit is Joule. SI means System International. Both work and energy are measured in the Joule. Joule is a SI unit of work and energy. From energy, mechanical energy. What will happen as a result of the action is the pictures. That means first, the rubber band is released after stretching it. A stone is held in the rubber of catapults. The rubber is stretched and released. In the above example, we see that when the rubbers of the catapult is stretched and the release in come back to the original state and the stone fly off. Similarly, when the spring of the toy is wound and then release, the toy start playing when water stored at a height is made to pull on wheels. The wheels start rotating in each of these action. Displacement takes place, which means that work is done from where is the energy obtained due to this work. The energy which is stored in an object due to the specific state or position of that object, it is called as a potential energy. First, the rubber are stretched. That means the apply the force on this rubber are the state and release the force, then rubber are the compressions or relaxation. Then next, a stone is held in the rubbers of at catapults, then the rubbers is stretched and released. That means the rubbers are the stretch. In the above example, different type of the example. Firstly, the water are stored in the tank and then the tank are the open, then water are flow from slope wise. That means the potential energy are stored in any object, then external force are applied on this object move from one point to the another point. The next example, ball are kept on the ground, then external force are applied on this ball, object are moved from one point to the another point. That means external force are applied on the object or ball move from one point to the another point. That means the potential energy are converted into the kinetic energy. Then next, each of this action displacement takes place, which is mean that the work are the done. That means the toy start playing when water store at a height is made up to fall on the wheel. That means the water store in the one place, then fall through the wheels. The wheels start rotating. In each of this action, displacement takes place. That means work are the done, which means that work is done from where is the energy obtained to this work. Any object apply the energy or force, then object are the displaced. That means work are the done of this time. Or store energy means potential energy in the object.